Hello traders, it is Oleg with you. I would like to tell you about my new indicator called Currency Strength Withered. This tool is very powerful and it can actually help you stay at the right side of the market. Moreover, it helps you with entries and even exits. The indicator is represented by several trading modules. You can see two lines here. I call them as power lines. These lines are built by a very sophisticated algorithm. The indicator analyzes the market situation on multiple forex pairs, including the crisis and multiple time frames, and then converts this data into an easy-to-use currency strength index shown here. The deviation in this index actually builds the lines, and you can use these lines as indication of current trend power. This indicator can show you when market is in good trend or when it is in range. The indicator can also show you volume bars. These are not just standard volume bars. These bars are different. They are generated using a special algorithm. These volume bars can be used in a variety of ways. One of the most helpful ways to use these bars is a way to detect price extremums, which you can use to find great pullback signals in the direction of the trend. The indicator can be used with absolutely any market. I mean just any forex pair and any time frame. Also, the indicator shows you the possible targets which are based on using Fibonacci levels. Depending on the time frame you want to use the indicator with, you may use this or that strategy on how to apply the indicator. And I teach my clients how to use all these strategies and show them how to use the indicator depending on the market they want to trade and the time frame they want to use. And this knowledge and my assistance significantly increases your chances for trading success. Now I would like to show you how this indicator can be helpful for scalping. For example, on M1 time frame. Look at this chart, please. As you can see here, we have a new start of a new trend, buy trend in our situation. Previously, it was a sell move, which at this point changed to opposite direction. So I will show you how the indicator and the volume bars can help you with the entries in the direction of the trend. This line, upper line, represents euro, and this one, lower line, represents USD. So what does it mean for us? It means that the euro is going stronger and we can now start looking for possible buy opportunities. Now let's check our volume bars. When we want to buy, we look for red volume bars. These red volume bars, they actually show oversold situation in the market. When the market is oversold, but in the direction of the buy trend, and these oversold points can help you with precise entries. For example, this long red bar is a great point for your possible buy entry in the direction of this buy trend. This one is another great point in the direction, a great point for entry, I mean, in the direction of the buy trend. Another two bars we have, another bar. So these are great points. All these bars show great points which you can use for entry in the direction of this buy trend. So one more bar here, one more bar here, and here, and even here. So as you can see, the trend is going up on this M1 chart, and you can enter the market at very, very right moment, at very, very right time. So these two power lines, which I mentioned earlier, also show you how powerful the trend is. The width of these lines shows the strength of the trend. When these lines become narrow, it means there is a possible chance for the trend to stop, or at least to pause for a moment, like in this situation when it has some pause. We have a small flat condition here, and then the power starts increasing. USD decreased much while Euro started to increase its power, and this trend continues. Also, you can use these green bars as indication of the strength of the trend. When these green bars during the buy trend changes to an opposite color or becomes smaller, it means that the trend loses its power. But this loss of power is very, very short term. In this case, you may take profit. For example, in case you are a hard scalper and you want to take just a few pips, you may enter the market. When this bar changes, you just grab your several pips and exit. And you can repeat this process again and again. Or you can go with the whole trend, like in this situation, with the whole trend up until the line cross each other, which is the sign that the trend may reverse. Now I want to show you one more trading situation in case you would like to use 1 hour time frame. When you use this time frame, you can now see buy and sell target. Actually, there are more than one buy and sell target. There are several targets. They are all based on Fibonacci. And when trading on 1 hour time frame, you can use these targets in your favor. For example, like in this current situation, you can see that Euro becomes stronger, and you can already see that the price is going stronger, and the price is going up now, and the strength becomes stronger because these two lines becomes wider, and the currency strength index shows that the power increases. And we can actually already enter with our buy trade. I mean, we can enter market with our buy trade. Look at this two big volume red bars. So these red bars shows oversold situation in buy trend. So actually the start of this or this candle can be a possible buy entry, while this sell target can be used as your stop loss, and this buy target can be used as your take profit level. Also, with time, you can re-enter, because there is a chance that you will see more oversold bars here. I mean, these long red bars here in the future. And you will have a chance to re-enter in case you missed your trading opportunity, or you want to enter the market with a new trade. You can still do this, and it is all possible. When trading on 1 hour time frame, you can use these volume bars for exits too. For example, if you entered the market at this point, you can possibly exit at this point, if you wish, or at least you can partially close your trade and let the remaining part go further, in our case up to the buy target. So there are many ways how you can apply this indicator. There are several strategies, several obvious strategies, and there are also strategies which are not such obvious, but you can still apply all these different strategies with this particular indicator. Moreover, we can add Bollinger Bands with standard settings to our chart. And Bollinger Bands with standard settings can help you with exits too. For example, when candle touches or gets closer to the border of the Bollinger Bands. Also, Bollinger Bands shows you trend direction. As you can see, its middle line just became sloped up a bit, which means that this particular pair is going up. It is like extra confirmation for you. If you wish, you can avoid using Bollinger Bands. If you want, you can use it. It is all up to you. I use Bollinger Bands in combo with this indicator. I mean, in combo with currency strength wither, because for me, it is a convenient way to trade. For example, like in this situation, there was a sell trend, and as you can see, this middle line can work like support or resistance depending on the trade direction. And in this case, when we got this long green bar, we could enter the market with a new sell trade, exit the market when the price got to the lower Bollinger Band line. And all these things make trading really, really easy and convenient. So adding Bollinger Bands gives you several more possible strategies which you can use in conjunction with the currency strength wither indicator. Okay, one more moment. This indicator works super good on daily charts too. I want to show you an example of how you can easily trade on daily charts just spending a few minutes of your time a day, really. Using daily charts makes your trading a very easy task in case you also use my currencies trends wizard indicator. So this is an example I want to show you. Let's check Euro USD daily chart. As you can see, here we had sell trend, which later changed to buy trend. Then it changed to sell trend again, but it doesn't matter actually. I just want to show you using this particular chart, using this particular buy trend on this daily chart to show you how actually great and easy becomes your trading when you use the currencies trends wizard indicator. When using the currencies trends wizard indicator on daily charts, you can take all these opposite volume bars as your possible entries in the direction of the buy trend. Pay attention to these levels. I mean, the levels on this chart where we have green and red bars that cross these levels. We have 50, 20, 0, minus 20, and minus 50, minus 70, and 70. So all these levels show you the deviation for these volume bars. The stronger the deviation is, the stronger the volume becomes. So when you are using some lower time frame, for example M5, M15, or M1 time frame, it is important to take volume bars, to use volume bars which appear at the level of minus 50 or 50. But when you use daily chart, you can just take all opposite bars, all opposite volume bars in the direction of the trend. Like in this situation, trend changes to buy trend, and you use this bar, this bar, this bar, this bar, this bar, this bar, and this bar for entries in the direction of the buy trend. And this is where the Bollinger Band actually helps you with exits. You can use the border, the opposite borders of the Bollinger Bands for your exit. For example, you entered the trade, you entered the market with your buy trade here, exited here, entered here at this moment, exited here, entered here and exited here, entered here, exited here. So you can move with the trend using these bars. Then the situation changed, and as you can see, now the USD is in sell trend, and you could actually enter this trend almost at the moment when it started. Here, at this point, you could enter with a new sell trade. Here, you can enter with a new sell trade, and possibly here, you will be able to enter with a new sell trade again. So, using currencies trends wizard with the Bollinger Band is very, very helpful and convenient, and I highly recommend to use Bollinger Bands in conjunction with the currencies trends wizard, especially in case of trading on higher time frames. Well, I truly hope that my explanation of the currencies trends wizard indicators work can help you better understand the ways of using the indicator in your personal trading. I hope with my explanation, which I have just provided to you, you can now see the ways, the opportunities that the indicator can provide you. The opportunities of increasing your profit potential in trading, of increasing your chances to win in trading. And I truly hope that you will now better see the potential of this indicator, the power it possesses. I truly hope to see you among the owners of this indicator, and as you know, it will always be my pleasure to help you get started trading with this indicator, and I will do my best to help you succeed. Thank you for watching.